Hello and welcome to the Magna Carta 2022. The Magna Carta 2022 is in its third edition this year, and this is nothing but a prelims crash course for 2022. This year, for the first time, I'd be hosting it on YouTube. Magna Carta will have three components in 2022. First, lectures. Second, notes, and these are handwritten notes that you see on the lecture board. And third, solving previous year questions using the techniques that we have developed through our Magna Carta classes. The Magna Carta course has a very simple objective in mind, and this objective has to be achieved under all circumstances. Thankfully, we've been able to do this for the last 2 years, and we hope to continue achieving this objective this year as well. The objective is that you should be able to solve 80% of all the polity questions that get asked in the prelims this year through the series and the targeted reading list and notes that are given to you with the series. So, the lectures are going to be on YouTube and are going to be completely free of cost. The lectures towards the end of it, after every lecture for that particular topic, will also have a reading list. The reading list will have 3 parts to it. Specific pages that you should have read from either the class 11th Indian Constitution at Work or the political theory textbook, or selected pages that you should have gone through from the 6th or the 6th revised edition of Lakshmikant, the green and the yellow book, chapter by chapter, page by page, column by column. So the basic way to go about this is watch the lecture, go through the reading list very clearly as mentioned at the end of that specific lecture. You can download the notes of the same lecture from my website in the download section under the folder Magna Carta. Once the entire series is out in this week itself, I'll give you about a week's time for you to revise the series on YouTube at least a couple of times, and also that you would have gone through your notes and revised my notes as well. And then we will begin our PYQ classes in a few days. Because these are essentially solving previous year questions, this has to be in an engaging format, which YouTube does not permit per se. So we will be hosting the previous year questions classes of the last 10 years, lecture by lecture wise, on the Unacademy platform. This will also going to be a special class. It's going to be completely free of cost, and I will notify the same with their dates and time on the Telegram channel, which is called Atish Mathur Official. Without wasting any more time, let's start with the very first lecture, which is in the next video. I would have linked it down below. Thank you, and let's get started.